Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by writing the series center data and isolating the coefficient Cn. This frames the convergence question. Once done, compute or express the nth term formula so you can form a limit. Next, choose root versus ratio. Pick ratio if factorials or products appear, root for nth power behavior. Make sure the limit expression is simplified before evaluating. This prevents algebra errors and lets you move directly into the next step with a clear test. You now perform the chosen test and compute the limit L as a function of x minus a. Once you find L, isolate x minus a and solve L1 to determine the radius r. Algebraic simplification here is critical. Make sure to express r explicitly and note the endpoint expressions x equals a plus or minus r. If the limit gives 0 or infinity, interpret. 0 means infinite radius, infinity means radius 0. Keep track of absolute value to handle both sides of the interval. You finish by testing each endpoint separately since the root or ratio test is inconclusive there. Substitute x equals a plus or minus r into the original series and apply direct tests. Alternating test for sign changes, p-test or comparison for positive term behavior, and ratio if still informative. Once done, record inclusion or exclusion of each endpoint and state the interval of convergence. One troubleshooting tip. If endpoint behavior is unclear, compare to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.